Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to restore favorites in Microsoft Edge. I was switching over to Microsoft Edge the other day and realized I still had all my bookmarks saved in another browser. So instead of manually re-adding everything one by one, I looked for a quicker way to bring them all over at once, and I opened Edge, clicked the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and went into the Favorites section where all bookmark management tools are stored. Then I opened the Favorites options menu and selected Import Favorites, which brought up a panel where you can choose where to import from. I picked Google Chrome since that's where all my bookmarks were saved, and once I click import, Edge automatically pulled in all my saved sites and organized them into the favorites list, making everything instantly accessible without any extra setup. And honestly, it feels like a huge time saver because instead of rebuilding your browser from scratch, you can just transfer everything in one go and keep browsing exactly where you left off. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.